Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to the Elliott way and let's start with the DX. So in the DXY, we are looking for the wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. Or we also count this whole move like as a wave 1. Like we count this move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a wave 1, then wave 2 and wave 3. We also count this move like this as a Brown wave 1. But this correction looking like the short correction in sideways more look like as a wave 4. So if we stuck with this count like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 and wave 4. So we count this move like WXY or we count like WXY, X and Z. But the main thing is that here the strong number, large number 100. Market touch this point and give us the correction and again market reacting from this point, this strong number. So if this large number 100 give us the classic trading level pattern above, like arrival, reaction, first high above level A, B and C, new impulsive move, then we will think about to go towards the bullish side. Otherwise we are in the bearish side because this move more look like the correction like A, B, C, W, X and we count this move like A, B, C or W, X, Y. So now if we see this count this way for in 1 hour time frame like this, so we count this move like W, X, Y or we also count this move like W, X, Y, X and Z. That's also possible market go towards the bullish side. But now market at this point 100 reacting like market go below this large number. So now if market give us the classic trading level pattern below, because if we look this move from this point to this point, we count in both ways impulsive and corrective because the overlapping in the waves like wave 1 or wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and wave 5 at this point, then we call this move like A, B and C. So this is very overlapping move. We also count this move like as a wave 1 like this wave 1 A, B and C. That's also possible. But as of now we are looking and we are waiting for the classic trading level pattern below this 99, like if market touch this point go above, if market give us the new high and A, B, C, then we will go towards the bearish side. Otherwise, that's possible here. Market go up for the W, X, Y, X and Z because this is not a clear, sharp, impulsive move. If you count this move from this point to this point, you think that this move more look like the corrective pattern. So we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at this point, like arrival. Oh, sorry, this is a bullish pattern. Okay, like arrival reaction first low below level A, B, and C. Then we will go towards the impulsive move and its correction. We can go with this new impulsive low of this new impulsive or with the correction of this impulsive move A, B, and C. So here the main number, the group 2 belongs to the 98. The group 2 belongs to the 98. If you want to go properly with the next move, you need to wait for the 98x as a classic trading level pattern, but this is far away. So if we want to look for the entry point near then 99. We can go with the 99 number. So if market give us the classic trading level pattern above this point, like arrival, reaction, first high above level A, B, and C, then market may go towards the next number like 101, 102, or 103. Then we call this whole move like a corrective wave 2. Then we shift our count. This is wave 1. Like if this market, then we call this move 1, A, B, and C wave 2. So as of now, this 100 are reacting and act as a resistance, strong resistance. So now we need the classic trading level pattern below this point for the bearish side. Then we will go towards the bearish pattern. So now we count this move from this point to this point more look like the correction. So wait for the clear impulsive move towards the 98 is very good because the 98 belongs to group 2, the end of group 2. Then we need to wait for arrival, a reaction, first low below level A, B, C. Then we will go from group 2 to the medium number between 90 to 80, 95. Then we will go step by step with the 90. This is the go to like the one large number two towards the next large number. So let's go towards the Euro USD. In Euro USD, we count same like DXY but in opposite direction in bullish side like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4 and then 5. So let's check the okay. We count this move like WXY, A, B and C or like triangle at this point. Wave A, B, C. Now that's possible market give us the wave A, B, C. Then again market give us last leg and then market go towards the bullish side. Or that's also possible here. This correction may completed at this point like A, B and C or W, X, Y. So if this is the case, how we know that the pattern may is in play or the pattern completed at this point? So at this point, let's check the number where we are. So at this point, the start of group 2 165, 165, 172 and 180 belongs to group 2. So let's check the 165. Okay, market go touch and bounce back at this point 165. So now we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern above this 165. If market give us the classic trading level pattern, then we will go towards the next number 1.18, the end of group 2, because that's possible here. This market go after the classic trading level pattern arrival reaction, first high above level A, B, C, and then go down, and we call this move like A, B, C, D, E. So as of now, let's check the 1 hour time frame. So I not label this move because this move more look like the correction like wave A, B, C or W, X, Y. If you count like impulsive move, then little tough like wave 1, 2, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 4 and 5, A, B and C. So this pattern more look like the corrective pattern as a ABC or WXY. But still we count Still we count this move like wave 1, wave 2, wave 1 and wave 2. If market not cross this point, then we count like wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, wave 2. Then market go towards the bullish side. So now we are waiting for market. So let's talk about this last leg. Market behave this WX and Y like WXY. So now there are two possibilities like this is wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the bullish side, or we count this move like WXY more easily A B C W X A B C or A B and C Y. Then market give us the we count this whole move like wave A or W, like wave A, B, wave C, then we count as a W, X, and then market go towards the Y. That's also possible. But in both cases, if this is WXY or A, B, and C, 165, the start of group 1. If this group 1 act as a tested support, like market arrived at this point, now market reacting, arrival, reaction. Now we need to wait for the first high above level A, B, C. Then we will go towards this. We will enter at this with this within this wave B and go towards this 172 and 1.18 step by step. Step by step means with respect to the micro levels. So for the Euro USD, we are looking for the bullish move after this correction as WXY or as a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 and 5. So let's check the possibility in next pair, British pound in daily time frame. So at this point in British pound, we count this move like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4, 5, A, B and C. Or that's possible here. This wave C may still is in play. Like wave A, wave B, and now we count this move wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and market go towards this next number below 1.3. Then market will go towards the bullish side. That's also possible. So how we decide that we will go towards the bullish side or we need to wait for the corrective pattern to complete. So let's check the possibility. We can shift this wave C at this point. Or that's also possible. This count like A, B and C completed at this point because the strong number 1.3, the end of group 2, market exactly touch this point and now market reacting. So now we need to wait for this 1.32 act as a classic trading level pattern. Then we will think about to go towards the next number or the next move. So let's check the count in 1 hour time frame. So let's talk about this last leg. Okay. So if this correction completed like wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, 5, and market give us the clear wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5. So now wave A, wave B, A, B, C, A, B, C, wave A, B, and now Market give us the wave A, wave B as a triangle, or wave A, wave B, and now we are waiting for this correction to complete. Then we need to wait for the impulsive move and its correction. Let's check here. So if we count this move like 1.32, 1.32 belongs to group 2. Market, okay, let's check. Market arrived at this point. Arrival, reaction, reaction belongs to A, B, and C, like A, B, and C. Reaction means that three-way pattern, corrective pattern. So if market give us the first high after this correction and A, B, C, then we will go towards this next number like 1.33 and then 1.35, the end of group 2 and the median number between 1.3 to 1.4. So in the British pound we need to wait for this corrective pattern to complete. Market need to give us the classic trading level pattern. If this is wave A, B and wave C, we can go towards the 1.33 at least. Then we will go towards the bearish side. If this is wave A, wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and wave 5. So in British pound, this move more look like impulsive move and this is the correction. Now we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern like arrival, reaction, first high above level, market arrived and now market reacting. Sorry. After this reaction, we need to wait for the first high and its correction. Then we can go simply with this wave B, or we need to wait for the impulsive move in 15-minute time frame to minimize our risk. We can go with this new impulsive move high, or we can go with the correction between this impulsive move. Within this impulsive move, we can go with this wave B. So now wait for this impulsive pattern, classic trading level pattern. If we not wait for this pattern, then that's possible. Here we can count like wave A, wave B, wave C as a wave 4. Now market ready to go towards the bearish side. That's also possible. So when we go from one number to another number, then the possibility of reward ratio will increase. So let's check the Canadian dollar in daily time frame. So this move from wave 1 to wave 2. This pattern we count like W, X and Y. Okay, A, B, C, W, X, A, B and C. Now, now the main thing is that this 1.4, the round number, give us the classic trading level pattern, the beautiful setup like arrival, reaction, market give us the first low. Now we are waiting for this A, B and C. Then we can go towards this 1.38. 1.38 belongs to group 2, the end of group 2. So we can go from this point to this point, or that's possible. If we look for the alternative count, we can count this move like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 as a leading diagonal. I hope that's not the case. Or we count this move W, X, Y, X and Z. That's possible here. Market give us the corrective pattern. But if this is the impulsive move, we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern to end. Because market give us the arrival reaction first low below level, let's check this leg from this point to this point in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, we count these moves like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a wave 1. Market arrived below touch and cross this 1.4, the round number 1.4. So market arrived, now market reacting like wave 1, because we count this move like wave A, B and C, or this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 1 and wave 2. We need to wait for this pattern like wave A, wave B, wave C. Then we will go with the new impulsive move in 15-minute or 30-minute time frame like impulsive move A, B and C. We can go with directly with this wave B. We can go. But if we follow directly with wave B, then we need to put our stop loss at this point, the start of this move. When we follow this classic trading level pattern like arrival reaction first low below level, and we start with this impulsive move and correction, then we go and shift start with this stop loss directly. So I am always looking for the new impulsive move after this classic trading level pattern. Classic trading level pattern will complete after this impulsive move like arrival reaction first low below level A, B and C. So now we can go with this after A, B and C, we can go with this wave B. So we need to wait for this classic trading level pattern to complete and wait for the new impulsive move and its correction. Then we will go with this stop loss to minimize our risk and the target area. So where is the group 2? 3, 8. 8 belongs to the group 2. We can go with this round number like 90, 1.39, or if we go with this group 2 like 1.38, we can go because when our risk is low, then we and we can also shift our stop loss after the like this. Market give us the pattern. Then again at this point 1.39, market will again give us the classic trading level pattern. Then we will shift our stop at this point to at this point. So now we are looking for this pattern to complete. This pattern recommend us to go towards the bearish side. So if we look for the another pattern, if we check the another possibility, so we count like W, X, Y, X and Z. In that case also A, B and C, the last leg may pending here. So we need to follow the classic trading level pattern. So let's check this Japanese yen in daily time frame. In JPY, the correction goes sideways like wave A, B, C, D and E, and market behave like W, X and Y. So now market still is in play like a correction. So at this point we discussed in our previous video, that market, okay, at this point 150. So market arrived, react, give us the first high above level A, B and C. So as of now, market going towards the next number, like 158, 160 or 155. Also market cross is 155. 55 belongs to the medium number between 50 to 60. From this 50 to this 60. So until market give us the classic trading level pattern below 150, then we will think for the long term setup, at least for this last leg A, B and C towards the 140 or the group 1 143, step by step. So in JPY, market may go towards the 158 because market crosses 155. After 155, market may go towards the 158. Or we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern below this 150. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, the last leg like WX and now market go like wave A, wave B, wave 1, wave 2 and wave 3, 4, 5 or we count this move like wave 1 of this wave 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's possible. This wave 3 still is in play as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because this market going after classic trading level pattern in 150. So now we need to wait for this correction to complete. Market give us the clear impulsive move like by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at 155. Then we will go towards 155 to 150 step by step. Step by step means with respect to the micro levels. So here if market give us the pattern like wave 1 after completing this move, market give us this wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, 5 and this 155 give us the classic trading level pattern. Then we will go towards this next number step by step. First we go with the 1 towards 153 and then 150. If market give us the impulsive move and classic trading level pattern around 155 at this point. Otherwise market may continue to go towards the next number because 155 market cross this point, arrival reaction first high above level A, B and C, then market go towards the 156.5, 172 and then 158. So let's check the last pair CHF. In CHF, market gave us the wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 and wave 4 now. Now this wave 4 may complete it and market give us the clear impulsive move. So the large number at this point 0.8. Market crossed this point and now market reacting. This 0.8 reacting. If market cross this point and give us the classic trading level pattern below, then we will go towards this bearish side as a wave 5. Or if market give us the classic trading level pattern above, then we will think about this 0.83. At least we will go towards this 0.83 and we count this whole move like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a wave 1 or as a wave C. But that's possible here. This whole pattern, the whole wave C may completed and now market ready to go towards the bullish side. That's also possible. But as of now, we are looking for the bearish side because the trend belongs to the bearish side. So Now we are waiting for, let's check the 1 hour time frame for the possibility. Market completed its wave 1, like wave 1, wave 2, okay, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So market completed its wave 1 at this point. So now we can call this move like wave A, wave B and wave C, or wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A, B and C. That's also possible. So now market give us the directly high. Sometime let's check the next pattern, pattern number 3. Sometime market in very side, pattern number 3. Sometime market not stop at the level, like in CHF market not stop at zero point 0.8. Directly market gave us the new high. Now we need to wait for A, B and C to complete, and we will go like new impulsive move and its correction. We can go directly with this wave B or directly with this new impulsive. But when we go with this wave B or this point, then we start our stop loss at this point. If we go directly with this wave B, then we need to start the stop loss from the high at this point. So market not stop at this level and directly creates the low like zero point 0.8. At this point, zero point 0.8 market not stop give us the new low. So now we don't need to wait for the arrival reaction at this point. We can go with the classic trading level pattern in lower time frame, but as of now market give us the directly high. Now this is the wave B. We can go after this correction, we can go with this wave B. We can go. But if we go with this wave B, then we need to start our stop loss at this point. Or if we go after this impulsive move like first high A, B and C, now we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern in lower time frame like at this point impulsive move A, B, C, then in lower time frame arrival reaction first low below level A, B, C. So we will go with this wave B. After this correction we need to wait for the impulsive move and its correction. Then we will go with this correction and start our stop loss at this point. So this is for now. We will meet again tomorrow with the crypto pair. So take care. Bye bye. Like, share and subscribe.